Hey everyone, I made it into Ross. So look what we have. Instead of 2, loads of fun. Follow your heart. Of course we get 2 here. Get the camper and the truck for 7. And look, they have the blinged out stemless one, $5.99. Normally they have a light pink one, but check out this marble, whatever you want to use it for, jewelry box. It is really, really heavy. Look at that, hold that. $11.99. That's good find. And of course they have the gnome, hugs and kisses. Your T-Rex, excellent. A gnome for you, and hot stuff with the lip on it. A DIY smashable chocolate heart kit. I know a lot of people like to sell this a lot. That's only 10 here, so you could definitely do one. You want to make a DIY cake pop. Cake pops are really easy. You don't need a silicone. You don't. You know, get your bowl, cake mix, frosting, and just mix it up and, you know, put gloves on and make a ball. It's really easy. Okay, oh, they have the red one for your soup, $5. Not as much Valentines. I was hoping Ross would have more. These are 5, like the cake 10. Pink with hearts on it. Oh, was that like a bunt cake? These are $5.99. And these little tiny ones, which we could find at TJ Maxx and Marshall's, they're $5. Says love on it. They have one with little hearts. And look at this one, the donut. Gosh, I am craving a donut. Be Mine. That's cute. And the conversation hearts. They're $4. Okay, set of kitchen towels are $5. Oh, XOXO. You know what? The stripy one's kind of cute. Have an all pink one in the back. Love you, a latte. You're the wine that I want. All right. Drink up. Love, love, love. Be true. This is really cool because it is wipeable. So if you're going to do something for your younger children, you know they're always spilling. And look at this one. That's cute too. Oh, they have a red one in the bottom. That pink in the back. Maybe just like the pink heart. And love. Love, love. When I say spilling, I was watching like Malcolm in the Middle. I love that show. And that one episode where Dewey has a friend. And they're pouring orange juice in the cup.
Oh yeah, and
he makes a mess of it. Look at this one.
That's the same one where that girl comes over and Malcolm.
Yeah, and she slides into the garbage. And Hal's like on the chair dancing. This is cute. We'll find out how much it is. Cupid, stop here. Kind of like Santa, stop here for $20. $20 is actually decent. For something that size, it looks like there is another one like Be Mine. The felt garland, kind of like Hobby Lobby. I haven't been to Hobby Lobby yet. I'm going to go to it. Hopefully it is not crowded because my Hobby Lobby is so crowded. It's like you go in, you're like, no thank you, and you leave. Oh, look at this one. Be My Pillow. Cupcakes and cherries. We have the lip for 10. I mean, that's only 20. Love XOXO. Tons of XOXO. I love you s'more. So cute. And here is your Juicy Couture for those juicy lovers. These are 10. It looks like gnome placemats. Okay. Love is in the air. Maybe a napkin holder, or I wonder if this came together. The coaster. I wonder if these go in here. Maybe. I love you. Okay. The fondue. Oh, that's all they have. And happy Valentine's Day. Okay. Oh, again, they just kind of look like the Target one. They're $5 here. Okay, in the wall department, that's kind of cool right here. This butterfly one and the floral, this is going to be $28 and $40. 33. You can also find these in Burlington, you guys, don't forget. Here's a butterfly one for $25. You love the glam, $18. And then we have all your like fashion. This is gonna be $12. And this is $15. And these are $13 down here. Look at the glassware, $5.99. I'm hoping we find like new glassware. I love looking at the glassware. And check this one out if you're a Disney lover. Look at by Pyrex, right? Are these Pyrex $4.50? I don't know, it doesn't say anymore. Yeah, it is Pyrex, but I hear Pyrex changed. They do have this one with like Darth Vader, a little TIE fighter, and here is a Disney one for $4.50. They're all $4.50, and it looks like Harry Potter. Yeah, there we go. $5.99 for that yummy bowl. Look at this glammy one, a little napkin holder. That is $7. Here's some more glassware, so $4 here. So I know a lot of people are talking about the Ross like 49-cent sale like in January. Honestly, I try to look for it every year. The lowest I find is $2. But I noticed the ones that go on a good sale or clearance are people who live more East Coast. So you guys are lucky. Like Florida, New Jersey. I notice through social media, people who live over there, they get the best sale or clearance, not a sale. Like $6.50 here. See, I think I'm gonna get any like good discounted, like $10.99. That is a pink tag. Here's some spoon rests. This one is $7.99. Okay, do they have that at the 99? Well, cheaper because the 99 is $1.25 now. So yeah, and it does add up. I was there to pick up a few items we need for work, for a work exchange, and that tallied up. I was like, whoa, I should have just went to Walmart. And look right here, you get two. These are $9. Again, you can also find this one in Home Goods too, and $1.50. See, $1.50. Nothing too new in the mug department. Turn on the light. Here we go. Cancer. We have Be Kind in the back. Here's some blinged out ones. These are $2.50. So that did go down. These are $5.
I'm looking, but I don't see it.
Look at these. I thought they were gummy bears. That's funny. Look how cool. Date night, Valentine date night, $9. It says love cutie. You know what? Papa Murphy's normally does like a heart-shaped pizza, but you guys like Papa Murphy's? I feel like they're too. She's like Pizza Hut. I feel like they're too greasy. Oh, this makes me want a wood stove.
Yeah, Pizza Hut used to make those heart ones, remember that?
Martha Stewart.
They sucked at cutting though, because it was such a weird shape.
That's $8. I don't think I've seen a colorful one here. $2.99, so there's a pink tag. These you can find in Burlington too, $15. They're kind of cool. These are $8. 12 and 19. I love that glam. Oh, there's more of these jewelry boxes. Oh, look how interesting. Oh, this one's new. Oh, this one's kind of cool. I found this in the wall decor. Okay, look, we have Chanel here for $7. But right next to me, they have another one that is on pink tag for $5. So kind of weird. And $7. And these are $7. We have love, red, and kind of like that gray. These are $7. Really nice too for $5.99. They do have some nice frames in here. I will say you have to kind of look. I feel like I always find this one here. Okay, they have these XOXO, $5.99. And you want a larger one, it's gonna be $8. Okay, made it into their handbag department. Of course, you know, it's gonna be dry. It is after the holidays. Wow, a lot of the bags are gone. Just a few backpacks, like these are 18 by Deluxe City, and that one's 20. There also is that brown tote too. There's a clear one. And their whole wall of backpacks. Normally there's like tons of backpacks. Have like these blues. I mean, I don't think I ever seen Ross so dry, like everyone took a bag for Christmas or a gift. Huh. Here's one Steve Madden, and that is $33. Look at this one. It's a belt. And this is $8 by the brand 12. We have the pearl with like the little chain. I also could put this on a handbag too. And $8 for those blazing belts called blazing. Okay, we have Purr for 10. Then this one's 12. Who makes this? Oh, I hate that. $10. So recommend the face mask you could find in TJ Maxx. Looks like Proactive in here. $6.50. Drops of Youth. Okay, by the Body Shop. I know why they're in boxes, but they're kind of a pain. Like Pixie is in a box, which is insane to me. What's down here? Olay is even in a box. That is crazy. Some Fila. Let's see. Oh, no tag on these sneakers. Okay, and we have some heels. 31. I did find some Vans. These are 35. And $29.99. We have like Under Armour. There's a little wedge shoe. And these are by Jessica, of course. The high one. Polo in the house. Look at these. These are really different. And by the brand Earth Element is 20. Check that out, you guys. What do you guys think about that? That's wild. I see a robe. Let me look right here real quick. Some Nike. Okay, these are kind of cute. And they're 37. It's another pair for 37 as well. And 55. Okay, found a few Nikes. You check out these wedges by Aldo. They're 15. These are 9 West for 28. Another pair of Vans for $29.99. And I think this is gonna do it in Ross, you guys. These are 21. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.